Want to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing, leveraging the power of AI, ChatGPT? In this video, we take a deep dive into how you can promote your affiliate links by using ChatGPT to create your content strategy for you. We share 7 ChatGPT strategies to help you promote your affiliate links that lead to sales. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income by promoting products or services on behalf of another company. You then earn a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Just like any business online, you need to be able to market to your ideal audience, and this is no different as an affiliate marketer. Content creation is a huge part of marketing online, and you need engaging content to drive traffic to take the next steps with you in your funnel. However, content creation and copywriting can take up a lot of your time. Introducing ChatGPT to make your life easier and to allow you to create your content quicker to reduce burnout. ChatGPT is a chatbot you can message like a human by making a statement or asking a question, and it will write anything you ask it for. So here are 7 ways you can use ChatGPT to help you promote your affiliate links. The first way you can use ChatGPT for is Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. You can use ChatGPT to work alongside you in the full creation process of your Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. This includes creating a list of topic ideas for your niche and what you are selling, writing video scripts for you, and generating descriptions and hashtags. This will save a lot of time and give you great ideas for your content. In each of your videos, you can refer to the link in your bio that has your affiliate link or opt-in page link. The more content you create that provides value and resonates with your target audience, the more trust you will gain and more sales you will generate. The second way is blog posts. Just like Instagram Reels and TikTok, you can leverage ChatGPT to create a list of topic ideas for blog posts that are SEO focused so you can rank in Google search. Once you have a list of topics you like, you can ask ChatGPT to write a blog post on a topic. Keep in mind that you will need to amend some wording and add in your affiliate link where applicable. Blog posts are a great way to rank in search and be found by your ideal audience looking for their problem to be solved. The third way to use ChatGPT to promote your affiliate links is YouTube videos. And we know how important it is to be consistent with YouTube videos. But creating the videos do take time, and most creators do burn out if they don't strategically organize their video schedule. You can utilize ChatGPT to help you with your video schedule by helping generate video ideas for your niche, writing good titles, descriptions, and tags, as well as writing scripts for you, and you can add your affiliate links in your video descriptions. Just make sure to include a disclaimer. Just like blog posts, YouTube is a search engine, and your videos can be found in search by your perfect ideal prospect. We have a free YouTube channel masterclass you can get access to in the description below. The fourth way is you can use ChatGPT for is Pinterest. Using Pinterest to promote affiliate links can be an effective way to drive traffic to your affiliate products and potentially increase your earnings. Create a board specifically for the products you want to promote. Use ChatGPT to help you give the board a clear and descriptive name and fill it with high-quality images, otherwise known as pins, that are relevant to the products you are promoting. Pinterest is also a search engine, so having compelling descriptions is important. You can use ChatGPT to write engaging descriptions with keywords that are relevant to your niche to help your pins show up in search results. Include your affiliate link in the pin description. This way, when someone clicks on your pin, they will be redirected to the product page using your affiliate link. Now, the fifth way is social media advertising. If you are wanting to use paid advertising to drive traffic to your funnel, keep in mind that you need to know who your ideal audience is for the product or service you are promoting. You can create your ad content, including your headline and ad copy, with the power of AI. Make sure your content is attention-grabbing and relevant to your target audience. Include your opt-in landing page link in your ad copy or as a call to action button. Always make sure to follow the terms and conditions of the social media platform and the affiliate program you are promoting to prevent your ad account being shut down. Now, the sixth way you can utilize ChatGPT to promote your affiliate links is landing page copy. Now, in the online world, it is rare and a small percentage to have someone purchase a product straight away from your link without building like, know, and trust with that prospect. This is why we recommend using a landing page to capture prospects' email addresses that then redirects to your affiliate offer. This is because you are able to continue to provide value to that lead via email marketing and continue to promote that affiliate offer. If you also want to use paid advertising, you can upload your email list to your ad account and leverage retargeting ads to your email list. An opt-in page requires a compelling headline and subheadline text, which is why you can use ChatGPT to help you with this. Now, the seventh way of using ChatGPT for promoting your affiliate links is email marketing. And the best thing about having an email list is you own your email list. And once acquiring leads, you can continue to market to them for free. Make sure you have a quality email list that is interested in your niche and the affiliate products you promote. It's important to have permission to email your subscribers and ensure they have opted in to receive your emails. When sending emails to your list, make sure to provide valuable content related to your niche, and you can include your affiliate link. This will help build trust with your subscribers and increase the chances that they will click on your affiliate links. Again, you may find it hard to write emails, so ChatGPT can help you write engaging emails that your ideal audience can relate to. It's important to keep in mind that once any content is generated by ChatGPT, that you read through it and make any necessary edits or amendments. ChatGPT is an AI language model, so it may not always generate perfect text, but it can certainly help you with your copywriting and content creation, which is so important to drive traffic to your affiliate links and make sales. That is 7 ways to use ChatGPT to promote your affiliate links. If you want to learn our top 3 side hustles to make money online, then make sure to check out this video here next.